Hi everyone, it's Nelda. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking this video. I hope that all of you are happy, healthy, and keeping warm. I have had a very busy last few days. Actually, it's been 2 weeks that I've been crazy busy, and so I only had a chance to sit down and do an upload now. But thank you for supporting my channel, and thank you for still watching my videos. And to my new subscribers, welcome. Thank you for being part of my YouTube world. And of course, to my old subscribers, again, thank you for your support. I am so happy, so blessed. My Etsy shop, Purely Personal Gift, is getting close to 1,000 sales. So thank you. And again, to my customers, both in Purely Personal Gifts shop and Neldascrafts, who also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I appreciate you all. So this video is going to be short and sweet, I hope. I will just show you how I do the stenciling and what I use for stenciling to decorate a little bit some journal pages. And before that though, I just want to share with you what I feel now. Really unusual things are happening nowadays. I looked outside and there's a bit of snow and it is cold. It's like winter back all over again. And I read that the last time they had a cold weather in May was back in 1976 when they had 4.4 degrees. So now we are setting a weather record, especially in Toronto, because we are below freezing temperature now, and it feels like -7 degrees. And when I looked, I was surprised because, you know, I don't read the weather anymore, but then I looked outside and there's a bit of snow, and you know, when I walked Chazzy, our dog, it was cold. So you know, it makes you kind of pause and think about your life, think about our lives, and the God-given blessings that we have taken for granted. For example, last year, about this time of the year, everybody gets together and we enjoy beautiful weather outside. But now, May 2020, we are still in social distancing, and you know, it's cold. So you know, something to think about. But I'm not complaining. I just feel like we are being reminded to pause and take a look of our lives, take a look at what we have and what we have taken for granted. So you know, just a thought. Anyways, so going back to the video, I have been stenciling my journal pages, and I just want to show you what I have. So these are the brushes that I use to blend the inks, and I still use my distress stain. So I'm just gonna show you how I do that. I mean, I'm not an expert. I've always stenciled my own personal journal, but when I do my journals that I post in my Etsy shop, sometimes I don't stencil anymore. I don't embellish too much because I want to provide my customers the chance to do the stenciling themselves and really embellish their pages and make the journals their own. But I thought I'd show you what I do. So these are the brushes that I use, and they come in 5 different sizes. And I got this from Amazon. I think it was $17 or 17.50 Canadian dollars. And again, they come in different sizes, but I mostly use these for big stenciling. Then I use the big brush. But they are so soft. Look at that. And you are able to really blend the ink. So I haven't used it for other inks. I only use Distress Stain because that's what I have. But I love these brushes, and you can get the same kind of brush that are branded, more expensive. I'm not sure if they will do better, but I love this. These are not branded brushes. Again, they come 5 in a pack for $17 and change, but you can clean it with like a mild soap and then just air dry it and they're clean. The color is brown and it's not ink, it's just how it comes. So look at that, so soft. So soft. Anyway, so I thought I'd show you how I do that. I have here some of my stencils, so, and then some of my avocado stain or avocado dyed paper that I will use for my new journals. So I have a few stencils and I put them in binder. So let us choose. This is my favorite. This is one of my favorite stencil. I also want the rose. Where is that? Oh, this is beautiful also. Oh, this one. This is one of my favorite and the roses. But let's try this. So I'm gonna just take this out, and then maybe I'll use another one. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna use this one also. Okay, so I'll put this aside. And then let's use the avocado stain paper. So okay, and then I'll just use this one. And then maybe I'll use vintage photo. So what I do is, you know, just gently rub the ink or this distress stain, and then just gently apply the ink. And this one can bend, but I won't recommend that. I don't bend it, but it's very flexible. So you just put your index finger on this round handle and then just blend it just like that. And you can go as light and as dark as you want. You can apply heavy and then go light. So it's up to you. Okay, so it moved a little bit. There you go. But it makes your inking or your stenciling much better than when I use the other brushes or the distress tool. Just gonna And then my personal journal, I just, you know, I go crazy when I decorate my personal journal. I go crazy with stenciling. And I find it, you know, it's very therapeutic. I love that feeling when, you know, you're just, I'm not an artist, I don't paint. I wish I did. But, you know, you don't need to be an artist to do stenciling. So just like that. And for $17 for 5 beautiful brushes, I think it's so worth it. It's a great investment, especially if you really like stenciling. So yeah, and then you can use this small one to just blend it, just like that. And then, look at that. I love it. So, if you don't want to embellish your pages with so much images, you know, or just go give your journal a different look, this is great. Stenciling is great. So let's try this leaf. I'm gonna use this small brush. And I'm not really blending it hard. Like, I'm not applying it so hard. So it's just, you know, very gentle touch. Just like that. Let's see. There you go. Let's try another one. Let's put some square here. Okay, so I'm gonna use this big one. Now that is so light. Okay, so I just wanted kind of like a fading images, so that's fine with me. So that's how I decorate my personal journal. So again, you know, these are great tools if you are looking to purchase stenciling brushes. So again, these are not branded, but it's worth an investment. What else? I guess that's it. That's all I have for now. I'm still decorating my journal pages. I've been just so busy trying to fill my orders in my purely personal gifts, and trying to do spring cleaning, organizing my supplies. So I thought I'd just drop by and say hello. I miss all of you. I've been watching my friend Aisha's channel, and she has the Nourishing Ideas and the Young's Paper Creations, and what a blessing. She's truly a blessing. I love listening to her. I wish that we could meet in person. Yeah, Aisha, because you're just, you know, you're just so positive, and we need people like you. I mean, you know, especially nowadays when unusual things are happening, we need to be reminded that let's pause for a while. Let's, you know, be grateful for what we have and for what we had, and just, you know, believe and know that we are so blessed, we are so loved, and we are so blessed to be a blessing to others. So yes, nourishing ideas and Young's paper creations by Aisha. Hopefully you can check her channel out. And so that's all I have for now. I'd like to say hello also to James, to Jen from Jen's Junk, and to Judy. She received the giveaway that we had for the 1,000 subscribers, and I hope that she's really, truly, she messaged me and said that, you know, she's so happy that she won, and, you know, she can use those beautiful stuff. So I'm just hoping that she can really use those items. So that's all I have. So stay safe, be blessed, know that you are loved, and let's not take for granted God's given blessings, our God-given talents, and let's be a blessing to others. Take care, everyone. I appreciate you all. And again, thank you for supporting my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. I would love, love, love to have you as my subscribers, and, you know, we can learn together, grow together, craft together. And again, God bless you. Take care. Bye now.